What's up, y'all? It's your girl Stefdotnet back with another video. As I told you guys in my last video, I was gonna come back in with an update, a check-in on my hair by the end of the week, because as I stated in that video, I do not restyle my hair after I set it that first day. Now, I do go in and moisturize, but I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I did not go in and moisturize this week. So my hair definitely at this point, it's super frizzy. I've fallen asleep on my hair without a scarf at this point, but this is what my hair is looking like. And for me, honestly, this does not bother me at all. Like, to the touch, my hair is not super dry. It definitely could have stood to get some moisture at least once throughout this week, but yeah, I did not do that, unfortunately. So don't be like me, moisturize your hair. But the frizz does not bother me. Like, honestly, like I said, your hair is gonna get bigger and bigger and fuller, and that the frizz does not bother me. I'm not afraid of frizz, but I do still have some definition. As you can see, my roots are definitely super frizzy, but I do still have some definition. And yeah, as long as I have a little bit of definition, I'm gonna rock my fro. I'm not afraid of rocking my fro when it's not super defined and curls all in place. Like, I don't know, I really enjoy my hair when it's big like this. But I did want to show you guys how I do moisturize. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all how long it's been. So it has been, this is 9-day hair. So this is what my hair is looking like on day 9. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I moisturize my hair, even though I'm going to restyle this. I don't see the point in moisturizing this hair and keeping it going, because it definitely needs to be detangled. So let's show you guys how I moisturize my hair. So I like pull the hair together like I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, and then I pull and stretch the ends out. And this is a good way to reshape your hair if you like fall asleep on it and it gets smushed. This is a really good way to re-stretch it back out and get your shape back too. So once I do that, I either go in with, there's 2 sprays that I like to use. One is the Red Rose Naturals Rose Water Hydrating Face Toner. And yes, this is a toner, but it is, it can be used for your hair. And I actually do like rose water for my hair. Or I also like the Tiba Naturals Curls La Vie Revitalizing Curl Mist. And I like both of these because if you look at them, they're more so of like a water type texture. I don't want to have to, you know, work it in. I just want to be able to spray it and that's it. So spray and go, and something that's not going to be white on my hair, and neither one of these do that. So I'm gonna use the Revitalizing Curl Mist today, and what I do is I spray my ends. And I know that seems like a lot, but my hair needs it. And then I slide my hair down and get towards the root. And then once I spray that on, I squeeze it into my hair. I have low porosity hair, so this definitely helps with getting product to penetrate. I don't know, I just feel like the warmth of your hands and squeezing it in just helps get it in there. And then after I do that, I take my oil, and y'all know I love my Herb Infused oil. I really need to re-up on this. I get that in my scalp. And then I also add a couple of drops to my ends. And then also squeeze that in. And like I said, I'm just showing you guys this for video purposes, just to show you what I do, because I'm actually going to detangle and restyle this hair. Alright, so there you have it. That is how I lightly moisturize and refresh my hair. Now this could be done every morning, or this can also be done every night. You can do it in the morning, in the nighttime, however you want. It just depends on your hair. Also, let me know how you guys feel about frizz and how often you redefine your hair. Because for me, I am perfectly fine with my fro. It does not bother me at all. The only thing I ever worry about with my fro is obviously tangles. But other than that, I love letting my hair get frizzy and do its own thing naturally how it's going to do it. That's one of the best things that I like about wash and goes, is letting my natural curls and pattern do its own thing. I love twist out and manipulated curls as well, but I just really love seeing my hair in its natural state. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Comment down below and let me know how you guys maintain your hair throughout the week. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.